Today we are going to learn the test of divisibility of the number 7. Most of the time it is find that is the given number is divisible by 7 or not. It's very difficult to find the number is divisible by 7 or not. So here we are going to learn a easy method to find whether the given number is divisible by 7 or not. So let us learn the test of divisibility of 7. The test of divisibility of 7 is first double the digit in the ones place or unit place of a number. Double the digit, the unit place, whichever number is in the unit place or the last digit of a number, double it and subtract from the number formed by remaining digits. Subtract whatever answer you will get, subtract that number from the remaining digits. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is also divisible by 7. So steps to apply the test of divisibility is first multiply the unit place, that is last digit, by 2. Then subtract whatever answer you will get, subtract that value from the rest of the number. Continue the process, continue the method until you will find the number is divisible by 7 that you know very well. So let us proceed with the example. So here the number is 826. So first unit place of this number is 6. So first multiply 6 into 2. Unit place, first multiply the unit place by 2. That is double the ones place, which is equal to 12. Now whatever answer we have got, subtract that value. This value 12 we have to subtract from the rest of the digit. Rest of the digit is 82. So 82 minus 12 is equal to, subtract 82 minus 12, that is 0, and 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we know this value, rest of the number. Now continue until you find the number is divisible by 7. Now here we found this number 70 is divisible by 7. 7 times are 70. Therefore 70 is divisible by 7. Therefore the given number, which is the given number 826, is also divisible by 7. Second example, the number is 7203. So last digit, that is unit place of the number, is 3. So first step is multiply the unit place by 2. So multiply 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Now this 6, we have to subtract this value from the rest of the number. We have to subtract this from the number 720. So subtract 720 minus 6, which is equal to 714. Still this number, you have to continue this process until the number is divisible by 7. If you can judge this number is divisible by 7, then here sometimes student may judge it, or sometimes they will find difficult that is this number is divisible by 7 or not. So still the same process you have to continue. Take this 4 from the unit place. 4, you have to 4 double 4, 2 4s are 8. Now this 8 subtract from 71. Subtract 71 minus 8. Subtract 71 minus 8, which is equal to 63. Now this 63 is divisible by 63. 63 is divisible by 7, 7 9 the 63. Therefore, the number 7203 is divisible by 7. Now I am going to explain you one important note about the test of divisibility of 7. Sometimes in case if the number formed by doubling the digit is larger than the number formed by the other digits. Sometimes case will come that the number after doubling is more than the number which is remaining. Then subtract that other number from the number doubled number. From the you have to do in reverse order. Double number which is there, from that number you have to subtract the remaining. So we'll see one example here. Now here the example 190. Here first step we have to double the last digit, that is unit place. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Now here cases arise that this 18 is greater than remaining two digits are 11. Here two digits which are remaining 11 is less than the double digit, that is 18. So in this situation you have to subtract this 18, subtract this 11 from 18. So we'll do the reverse, that subtract 18 minus 11 which is equal to 7, and 7 is divisible by 7. 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore, the number 190 is also divisible by 7. So, this is the way you can find which numbers are divisible by 7.